Problems are the part of your life. If there are no problems, it means you are dead. In a jungle, whenever sunrise, the deer knows that he has to run fast than the lion, otherwise he will be dead. Similarly, a lion has problem. If he doesn't run fast as deer, he will die hungry. Problems makes us more strong and equipped with us more ways to handle the other things in life. It is better that when you handle your own problems, you can easily help others to resolve those, and this is called life. You have to learn from your problems, don't run from them. There's nothing, you will got nothing whenever you run from your problems. We are the humans and can learn many things from our problems, but it is a natural instinct of a human to run. It's a flight response. So whenever there is a problem, our mind starts to work to how I can run from it, I can hide from it. It is built deep in your neurosystems from the child, from the birthright only. So you have to overcome that thing, and then you will see there's a new light coming around you. Moreover, whenever people start to do the things, they face problems, and when they more and more focus on the problems, they lose their sight of the solution. They are deep into the problems. They are not able to think about the solutions of it. But if you put more and more effort on your brain, you will see the solution. There is a solution to every problem in your life. Most people don't even know what is the problem. They are roaming here and there, struggling with their life. It is up to you. Think, sit on a table with a pen and paper and see what are the problems you are facing right now. Pinpoint the exact problem and then start working on the solution. And I bet when you do this exercise, there's a very less chances that you will not succeed in your life. You will see many people don't even realize that they are in a problem. Most people do the things that they think are easy to do because they don't want to run or face any type of problems. They want to live a normal life without any problems. And the person who is willing to face those problems and come up with solutions are now the billionaires of this world. Mark Zuckerberg started his social site Facebook with the simple to interact with their friends. And now it's huge. So he found the problem, then there's a solution to it. Bill Gates has a solution to have a system with every person so that they can run in their own homes. And that is, he had done that. He had solved that problem. He has created an GUI, graphical user interface for the persons to interact with the system. And that is why he is so successful. Steve Jobs wanted a solution to be a computer that is so beautiful that you want to lick it. Yes, and that is why he had created Macintosh. And from there, he started new products like iPhone, iPad, iMac, and Mac. So see people, if you want to success in life, don't run from your problems. Problems are your life. If there are problems in your life, it means you're alive. See, be grateful that you have problems. It means you're alive. You are in this life. You are living. You're interacting with the people around you. So come up with solutions to all your problems and see what you can do in your life. Don't ever give up to any of the problems. Don't run from them, because problems are life. There's a very good saying from my mentor Ron Malhotra, that is, if you don't fill your life with the problems you like, then it will be automatically filled with the problems that you don't like. So don't run it. Love your problems, and one day you will come with the more and more things that you can do, the things that can bring your life to a higher level and do the things that you want to achieve in your life. You will realize that when you start loving your problems, the life will be so easy to live. You will face challenges. There's an excitement in your life, and that's the life you want to live. Good. So start loving your problems, and you will see your life become so beautiful. So hope friends you love this video and you learn something from this video. So friends, if you like this video, please share with your friends and family members who do not love their problems and who want to do something in their life. Do subscribe to my channel. I put one video daily. We will meet tomorrow with another topic, another story. Till then, goodbye.